Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we are going to show that programming can also be used for simple purpose of having fun, right? And this is actually a small example of a prank that I fell for in my younger years when I first started programming, and it seemed to me like a very funny, so I'm going to show it to you as well. And it looks very simple. It says how much is 2 plus 3, right? We all know it's not 4, and when you click that button it says not correct, right? Try again, it's not that hard. Well, we all know it's not that hard, but what is actually hard is to click the damn button that contains the correct answer, right? So there is no way for me to actually target that button and click it. And if I click the tab to try and focus it that way, it again eludes me. So each time I get close with my cursor, it escapes again in some random direction. It goes whether it's left, up, right or down, and it doesn't allow me to simply click it, right? And at the time that seemed to me very funny, and I was like wondering, okay, how did they do it, and first of all, how can I do it, right? And I'll simply show you how to make something like this yourself, maybe to prank someone in school or something like that, and simply to give some educational value to this video as well. In order to make this button escape, you need to use the events on this button, and that is the on mouse move event. Our idea is simply when mouse comes to this region of a button, that immediately this button escapes in some direction, like I said, one of 4 random directions. And how to do it, and this is the code. So I have 4 directions, left, right, up and down, and I get one of those random directions. And if it's left, then I'll change the left property of the button by -30. If it's right, then I'll increase the left for 30, and same goes for up and down. And that will result this button to move in one of those 4 random directions each time I place a mouse cursor on it. And these 2 if statements are used so that mouse doesn't escape this area here, okay, so that he doesn't go beyond this window, because then you cannot even try to click on it, or so that he doesn't escape too much left or too much right, or too much up or too much down. So these are the 2 if statements, and this ensures that incorrect button is always focused, so that this one can never be focused actually. And that's one part, and the second part is simply also to disable the tab stop property on this button, so that you cannot use the tab keyboard button in order to try and select this button. So pretty much, like I said, it's kind of almost impossible. I don't know, I actually haven't succeeded ever into clicking this button. There is I've set a message if I maybe have some kind of luck and click it, but didn't turn out so far. And like I said, it can prove to be funny. And I also saw this in one more variation. It was something like this, and I have a checkbox here, and I'll just change your font here to something bigger, and caption: I agree with the terms something, right? I agree with the terms. And the point was this would be a cancel button, and this would be a register button. And as you can imagine, the point is that this register button was flying away until I didn't agree with the terms. So it simply can be done something like this. If what is the name, checkbox 1, checkbox 1 checked. If that checkbox 1 is not checked, then do this. Okay, and otherwise unable to click it. So I didn't agree with the terms, and of course this register button is fleeing away, and I'm not able to click it. But if I click here, I agree with terms, and suddenly I can click the button. So as you can see, you can also have fun with programming, not just do some very serious and complicated math work or something like that. And I hope you were able to at least have some laughs with this example. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.